Guys, a few days ago, StreetSlayers wrote me, asked what my address was, said he wanted to contribute to my engine build. All he would tell me was 1,000 horsepower capabilities. That's all I know. Well, today the package came, and I'm going to open it and be just as surprised as everybody else, because I don't have a clue what's in here. So, ignore the mess. I'm in my daughter's room. Best lighting in the house, though. So I put some tape to cover up the addresses. It feels kind of heavy. I don't know what it could be, but there's only so many things that are rated in horsepower ratings. So as you can see, it's never been opened. So let's see what we have here. And I knew I was getting some awesome stickers. Love StreetSlayers channel. If y'all don't follow StreetSlayers or subscribe to him, y'all need to. That dude is so full of knowledge. I kid you not. He's been in the game for a very long time. I'll read that in a minute. Oh my God. Can y'all see this? Oh my God. No freaking way. Oh my God, I am speechless. Dude, wow. I am beyond ecstatic. I cannot believe I have a set of forged manly rods in my hand that was given to me. Oh my God. This is insane. Yo, I got some of the best subscribers ever. Looks like they're already, everything was checked out already. Machine work and everything. I don't know if this is, I don't know what all the paperwork is in here, if it was just in there, but wow. Alright guys, the letter says, even though I have never met in person, I consider you a friend. Your videos have inspired me and others. For that, I thank you. I would be honored to help you with your engine build. These are OEM manly rods from 0304 Cobra that have ARP 2000 bolts. As the saying goes, there is no such thing as a free puppy. These do need the bushings replaced. I hope your build eventually exceeds the capabilities of these rods. Keep up the great work. Curtis, aka StreetSlayers. Now what he's talking about is these right here, which is not a big deal at all. I am extremely happy and super grateful for these. I don't even know what to say, man. I'm speechless. Speechless. Thank you. For real. My mind is blown. Like when he said 1,000 horsepower capabilities, I'm thinking maybe a bearing set, like a race bearing set, or some of my friends was guessing. One of them did say like Gen 2 Coyote rods. One of them said Cobra pistons, so they was pretty close. Wow, I'm extremely excited. Now, while we're on this about how awesome my subscribers are, another subscriber, and sadly this has been almost a year ago, sent me a great package, and I had a video on it, and when my computer crashed, everything was lost. I was going to cover the video of these when I installed them, but I don't know how long that's going to be. So I do want to cover what Bustedknuckleproduction sent me. Some of you know Bustedknuckleproduction got a saline spoiler. He also picked up a set of side scoops, and he picked them up just for me and sent them to me. So guys, that's something else I want to throw in. Don't mind the carpet, because we had the guinea pig running around yesterday. But they're sending me this stuff on their dime. I mean, I have the greatest subscribers ever. I mean, StreetSlayers sent me forged rods. Jason Moore sent me PI cams. Bustedknuckleproduction sending me side scoops. I mean, I just, none of this stuff's free as far as on them. You know, it's all free to me, but this came out of their pocket. So I'm very grateful for all the help I get on this channel, and I can't say that enough. These are in great shape. I rattle canned them, and I was going to put them on the car. Something came up, so they've been kind of just setting because I wanted to do it right. So all this stuff is just scratched up paint. But these are ABS, and I have industrial 3M tape to go on it, and that's what everybody said to use. Don't use the regular grade, use the high bond industrial. So I'm going to put them on, and I am so grateful for these rods. Man, and then like I said, Jason Moore already sent me the PI cams, which is installed in my car. Greatest subscribers, guys, for real. I see a lot of the big channels, and you know, they got some good subscribers, but I don't see them sending stuff like this to them. Amazing. Another video I was going to make a while back, I broke 1,000 subscribers. While my views are only still about 50% of my video time, I'm very grateful for the subscribers that I've got. I cannot thank y'all enough. I'm overwhelmed pretty much. I think I'm at 1,200 subscribers right now. I think that is, you know, it's nothing compared to a lot of these big channels, but for me, it's everything. I'm just an average guy just trying to do this for the fun, and I would be doing it regardless if I was filming it, so I figured why not bring people along for the journey. And I do everything on a budget. I think that's where a lot of people relate to me, is I'm not making 15 grand a month off of YouTube. And I know some of these YouTubers are. I know some of these YouTubers personally, and I know they're making 10 to 15 grand a month. And that's insane. I would love to be there. But even if I get there, I want to stay budget friendly to relate to the rest of the people in this world. And I will maybe afford a haircut, you know. Maybe not. Anyway, I appreciate y'all for watching. I appreciate y'all for subscribing. And I appreciate everything that y'all have done for me and this channel. And I can't wait to just continue to grow. Y'all have a great day. Thank you.
I won't turn around, I done made it this far. Look back now, that wouldn't be too smart. Shoot for the stars even when it gets hard. Put my faith in the Lord with the 16 bars. I won't turn around, I done made it this far. Look back now, that wouldn't be too smart. Shoot for the stars even when it gets hard. Put my faith in the Lord with the 16 bars. I won't turn around, I won't turn around.